Guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 14 Ultra versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra launched on February 2024 with a price tag of $1,400. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The body dimensions same and the weight of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra 224 gram, Oppo Find X7 Ultra 221 gram. The build: Xiaomi 14 Ultra front glass, eco leather back and titanium frame. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. Both devices come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO 4 AMOLED 1 billion color. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra size 6.73 inches. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra 6.82 inches screen size. The resolution is same in both devices, 2K, and the PPI dynasty. Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 522 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 510. The refresh rate is same 120 Hz in both devices. The screen to body ratio: the Xiaomi come with 89.6% screen to body ratio and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 90.3% screen to body ratio. The protection: Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Xiaomi Longjing glass and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak of brightness and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The camera: Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide with 1-inch camera sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel telephoto and the 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with Leica lens calibration, and it records 8K 30fps video with main camera. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 1-inch camera sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto too, and it comes with Hasselblad color calibration, and it records 4K 60fps video record with main camera. The selfie camera: both devices come with 32 megapixel and it records 4K 60fps video. The platform: Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core X4 CPU and the chipset. Both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the GPU is same 750 and Reno. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Android 14, ColorOS 14 and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Android 14 HyperOS. The memory: Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage: it comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. The battery: Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 90W fast charging. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100W fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 80W wireless charging and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 50W wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra go 25 points, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra go 26 points.
To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?